Hello everyone, we have just completed another installation of the Ghost advanced immobilizer system on this GL63 AMG motor. Very nice vehicle, and I just want to show you the functioning of the system on this vehicle. This is also a keyless system, but in this instance we're using the normal key. We have got removed the keyless pushing button, so the system will allow the engine to start. The engine starts and runs. Sounds very nice, by the way. However, while attempting to engage the gear, just want to show you now, the engine will cut out. No warning lights, it's just that the engine will cut out. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna disable the system by enabling the app on the phone. So the app is going to be enabled, and shortly we're going to see a confirmation of the parking brake flashing twice. This is the app that is enabled now. So as you can see, the flashing took place, the engine starts, and the car will allow us to engage the gear and then drive off. So as we mentioned several times now, more and more installation we do, unbeatable protection, and definitely will give you a lot of peace of mind securing your vehicle. Please do give us a call if you have any queries or any installation, if any different vehicle than what we presented. So as you're mentioning several times, any issue, car keys, replacement, security, immobilizer, we are able to help you. One name, Car Key Solutions. Thanks for watching. Bye.